The Volkswagen app is your digital companion for your ID. For example, you can use it to start the air conditioning or check the charge level from afar. To use the mobile online services and save your personalized settings, connect your ID to Volkswagen. Your Volkswagen partner may already have done this for you. If not, here's how to do it. As soon as you are seated in the driver's seat, your ID is ready. Install the Volkswagen app on your smartphone, create a Volkswagen ID, and let the app guide you through all the steps. Finally, scan the QR code on your infotainment screen and your Volkswagen ID user account will be connected to your ID. You are now registered as a user and ready to use the mobile online services for your ID in your Volkswagen app. With the Volkswagen app, you can also control the functions of your ID from afar. For example, set your comfort temperature on the way to the car park, or check the charge level while you're at home. Locking and unlocking also works from afar. All done very easily via the app. If you have connected your Volkswagen ID to your ID, you can download apps in the in-car shop and view further information about your user profile on the Volkswagen website. In addition, your personal settings are now linked to your Volkswagen ID user account. This means that they will also be available in any other ID if you log in there with your Volkswagen ID. As you can see, it's worth connecting your ID to Volkswagen. This will open up the whole world of mobile online services to you.
Volkswagen.